Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm making a big pot of coffee and I'm using Daily Basics ground coffee, 100% pure coffee. So I'm going to start this off by getting your coffee filter. This is on Weiss's. I already have one out. And this isn't Mr. Coffee, but hey, they are pretty much the same. This is Cuisinart. Anyway, first thing you want to do is you want to put your filter in the coffee maker. Next thing you want to do is add your coffee, and it said to put one of these and a half in. So normally that means for me I'm putting 2 in. Alright, 2 scoops. Alright. You want to make sure that filter's in there pretty good. And last but not least, you want to add your water. And I got that much. Like I said, this is going to be a big pot. So you add your water to your coffee maker. Most of them are in the back like this. See the coffee filter? Water goes in here. So you pour all your water in. You want to make sure you put all your water in. Bam. Okay, and you put your coffee pot in there, close the lid, hit brew, right, turn it on, put it on brew, and once you do that, the coffee starts to brew. And you can see it. I like this cup right here. Less Monday, more coffee. And I'll see you in a few minutes. I'm not going to be playing the piano this time, but I'm going to snap my finger and now you should have some good music playing. And now you can really see it brewing. Alright everybody, the coffee is done. You can smell what the bee is cooking. And I'm going to pour me a cup. Look at that color, nice color. Smells good. And I like sugar and cream in my coffee. I'm not going to say it, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. I like my coffee like I like my women. Had to say it. But anyway, I like sugar and cream in my coffee. Yep. That's looking good. Yeah, that's looking good, but you don't want to taste it right now because it's way too hot. Let it cool down some before I give it a taste test. Okay, it's time for the taste test. That's good coffee right there. Alright, I'm Big Brian. Hope you have a good cup of coffee today. Peace.